It is just a two-step process to fix mfc120u.dll missing error in Windows 10. Open any web browser and search for Visual C++ redistribution package. Download Visual Studio 2013 and click on search. Now click on first link. Scroll down and select your language and then click on download. Now you can check your system type. And to check your system type, go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and select as run as administrator. Now type this command system info and hit enter. From here you can get your system type. So my system type is 64 based PC. Again go to web browser, select it and click on next. Now it will download the setup file. Then open file location. Right click on it and just click on run as administrator. Then select as. Check this option and click on install. Wait for some time. It will take some time to complete its process and finally close it. Again go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and select run as administrator. Then type this command carefully. regsvr32 space /u mfc120.dll and hit enter. Then type regsvr32 mfc120.dll and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.